dinner.
I was recording your time.
She kept perfect records of her household expenses. She found healthy ways to relieve her stress. Yes, Lynette was confident her by-the-book approach was the right one. Sadly, not everyone was on the same page.
Well, looking clean up the stack aisle at the bookstore. At least your divorce is good for the publishing industry. We're not using the D
He's
word.
gonna scratch that.
It's a separation. Tom and
You take his
I
claws
are
out and
going
clawing
to
at it.
heal through counseling, so we can find a road to reconnection, and if not, murder on the Orient Express. Penny, your dad's here. Explain something to me. If you're trying to win back your husband, why do you dress like you sell ornaments?